So of course, we have our handy dandy little card here. Super important for the whole registration process, but we'll get to that in just a minute. First things first, we have our create account screen. That's what we're gonna do first because we cannot load anything on there if there's not an account to begin with. So once we've done that, it's gonna have you enter all of your personal information. Of course, we don't wanna give away any of Andre's, so we started out for the purpose of this video. But once you've completed that, you'll hit finish and it will tell you that you need to confirm your email and set up that account fully. Once you've logged in, naturally, next you're gonna load your money. Now this can be done with either a credit or a debit card, no worries either way. But when you've gotten into your online account, especially if you're doing it through the app, you'll have to make sure to do the final step of connecting your card to your account. Right here on the back, you'll see there's a little code. That's what you're gonna use to go ahead and register your actual physical card to your online account. Now this is important later because once you finish that payment, which naturally is just gonna be a payment screen for you, card number, name on the card, expiration date, all that kind of stuff. So make sure you have all that info handy. After that's been completed and you submit your payment, it's gonna send you an email to the address that you've attached to your account. Once you've done that, it will have in that email a nice little confirmation number for you. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your laundry card back over to the laundry lounge where we have our 24/7 access, 10 sets of washers and dryers with free Wi-Fi and cable. And then you will go to the smaller of the two machines. Now I'm sure at this point we're all familiar with the large one that's in the vestibule of the office. Similarly, in the laundry lounge, like you've seen with Andre, there's gonna be two machines, one of them being the cash loader, like here at the office, and the other one's just a little guy. And on there, you'll see a little card slot as well as a keypad. So what you'll do is you'll insert your card, chip side first, very important, into the machine with the keypad. Then you'll refer back to that email that you received, and that will show you the confirmation number. And it should be a string of numbers for you that once you've inserted your card, you punch that into the keypad there, and that is what's going to fully migrate that money from your online account to your actual card.
This is one of our loading stations. It's located right in front of the leasing office. How it works is you put your cash in and it goes directly onto your card. This is the location of our second loading station. Follow me in so I can show you where it's located. And this is our laundry lounge, where our second loading station is also located. Come over here, it looks exactly the same as the other one and works exactly the same as well. Put in your cash and it goes directly onto your card. Another convenient option for loading money onto your laundry card is to go to this website, www.coinmachcode.com. How it works is you will go to that website, you'll use either a debit or credit card, add money onto your account, and they will give you a code. Once you get to the laundry lounge, you put your laundry card right here, enter your code, and then that money goes automatically onto your card.
Some residents are unaware of our on-site laundry lounge. Let's take a quick tour. We have 10 washers as well as 10 dryers. This is actually where you're going to insert your card once funds are loaded. Conveniently, this is also the entrance to our second pool. Come take a look. We have a full bathroom as well as a shower where you can get prepared to use the pool. This is our lovely second pool. As you see, we have lawn chairs for lounging where you can relax and enjoy your stay at the Pines of Coeur d'Alene.
Conveniently located right next to the laundry is a little clubhouse. You can come over here, sit back, relax, and even watch some free cable or use our free internet.
Once you've migrated that money, you are good to go to use that money all throughout the community at any of the different washers or dryers throughout. So we really hope that this has been helpful for never need a